Go to official Visual Studio Code download website and click on the download option according to your operating system. It will download a .zip file. Now simply unzip this file to open Visual Studio Code application. Now let's create a folder, and inside this folder let's create a Python script. Python scripts have extension as .py. Install the Python and command line developer tools which we'll be using in future. Now it's time to print hello. So type print followed by parenthesis and then apostrophe, and inside that type hello. Now click on the play button on the right side and Python interpreter will print hello. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.